There are between 10,000 and 80,000 bees living in one hive. Despite the high number of bees living together, thanks to the perfect division of labor and discipline among them, there is no disruption in the work in the hive and no chaos is observed. One of the tasks inside the hive is the cleaning of the hive. The female bees in charge of cleaning drag the pieces left behind by the bees that left the cocoons, the dead bees inside the hive, and many other foreign substances, and take them out of the hive. What do they do when they come across pieces too big to get out of the hive? Yes, sometimes there are pieces too large to be thrown out of the hive. They can produce bacteria and threaten the health of the bees within the hive. This may seem to be a big problem, but in fact, it is not a problem for bees whatsoever. Thanks to their inborn talents, the bees wrap these large things that they cannot remove from the hive with a chemical substance called propolis. The most important feature of propolis is that it does not contain bacteria. Where do bees get the substance called propolis? First, they gnaw the material called resin from the sticky buds of some trees with the help of the lower jaws. Then, they add oral secretions to the resin to produce propolis. Then, they put this propolis into special pouches on the hind legs and carry it to the hive. They wrap the large objects that they cannot take out of the hive with this propolis they bring to the hive and turn it into a harmless thing that does not contain bacteria. In other words, they embalm those big things. Now, let us think about the following questions and try to find answers together. How do these little insects keep their environment clean with complete seriousness and discipline, while we, sane people, cannot always accomplish it fully? How do they manage the division of labor among them, though there are so many tasks in the hive? How does everyone know about their duty? Who knows which bee is capable of what task and assigns them tasks? How do these insects, which lack intellect, ensure perfect teamwork and coordination, though people often cause trouble by not accepting the tasks assigned to them, even in simple teamwork? From whom did they learn about this professional cleaning and embalming service? How do bees know that the waste material in the hive will produce bacteria? How did they learn to isolate the things that are too large to take out of the hive with a substance called propolis? How did they have the knowledge of chemistry to produce this propolis? While most of us have learned this information thanks to this video, do you think that this is information that an insect will know? Definitely not. The owner of these extraordinary deeds that require intelligence and consciousness cannot be the bee. As the following verse states, bees are magnificent creatures acting upon the inspiration sent to them by Allah, who created them, and thy Lord taught the bee.